Hey everyone, John and Wilkins Harley. Here's a brief video on how a private sale bike can be catastrophic. So with that said, John and Wilkins, we buy a lot of motorcycles, and this is a 2015 Sportster 48 we did purchase from a private seller. We walked around the bike, really beautiful. Unfortunately, during our dyno certification, we found a catastrophic failure with the motorcycle. I'll have Cam pop up an image, but basically on the bottom back side of the motor here, there's a structural component that attaches to the case of the motorcycle that helps secure that motorcycle motor in the frame. It's needed. It's not something you would want to really mess with. Well, that was busted and the case was cracked there and broken off. So this is not a bike we would resell. We wouldn't cobble it together. That's why we're thankful we have amazing technicians. That's why we're thankful we go through the motorcycles. But frankly, it's a really nice bike. I wish we could sell it, but this is one that's going to go to a wholesaler or a scrapyard or something, not to one of our customers, because at the end of the day, it's making sure our friends and our family and everybody is safe when they ride and walk around the bike. It's a beautiful machine, but those are some of the risks of private sale, which leads me to my next advice. If you need any advice or you want to know what to look for when buying a pre-owned bike, give me a shout, 802-476-6104. But this is a perfect example. I feel like I'm pretty good at it, and even I can't see things that are hidden. And so if you are buying one, have a technician, a quality, reputable service shop go through it to make sure it's safe for you. All right, that's it. Thank you, take care, and ride safe. If you have any questions or want to see any bikes, just click the link in the description and give me a shout with anything. All right, take care, guys. Be good.